What's up, guys? Today we're working on my friend's BMW. We're going to be putting these fresh downpipes, Catless Downpipes from ARM. And yeah, so we already got it jacked up. Did the annoying part because his car is really low. We'll show that after. But yeah, so we're going to get into installing these downpipes. Here's a quick look at them. They're really nice quality, it looks like. Nice welds on there. You want to tell us about them a little bit?
I don't know much about them. They're just ARM Motorsports. They hooked it up. They gave me a little discount code, and they gave me some downpipes, and
they look sweet. V-band,
excited
the turbo.
And they are the XI ones, so these ones actually just came out because the 335, because it's an XI, so it's all-wheel drive. They're actually different. They're slightly different from the 335Is. I don't really know how. I think it's just the way that they're shaped. So these ones are specific for the XI all-wheel drive model.
Right, so you heard it, and we're going to get into it. We're going to try and figure it out as we go. We've never done this, but there's a few videos online, so this will be one of them. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and we're going to get to it. So we got his engine cover off. You have to take the cowl off and the cabin air filter. And then we unplugged his two O2 sensors. And then we just taped it. That way we know which one's front and rear. And then we're going to fish them down. And then we're going to start working on the bottom side. So we just got the car on the lift. This is the first time he's had it up in the air since he got it. Just to give you a look. He's got the Borla. Is this 3-inch?
I believe so.
3-inch Borla. S-type. Yeah. And you can tell how low he is, because it's got a little scrape mark right there, but it's all good. So we're going to get to it. There's a lot of covers underneath, and we're going to start taking them off. So we're just heating it up right now because it would not budge.
Sounds like you got it, though.
So we're going to use the Sawzall to cut the cats in half because they are...
So basically we couldn't get the downpipes out. We're not dropping the subframe because that's ridiculous. So we are going to just cut them out at this point. I'm not keeping them. It don't matter to me. So we're just gonna cut them, drop them out, call it a day. So we're setting up with a fresh blade. I'm just gonna cut them. So we ran into some issues. We obviously cut the downpipes up to get them out because that was a pain in the ass. But one of them, I think it was this one? Nope. This one? Nope. This one. This one? The actual O2 sensor broke off in there. The person that put it on in the first place completely fucked up the sensor. So where did it go? just, look at this. Let's focus. Nope, let's try this. There we go. Completely destroyed it. Could not get it off for the life of us. So we ended up couldn't get it off for the life of us. So we ended up having to it just broke. It literally just broke. So we're gonna plug it full send and throw them in there. I'm gonna order up a O2 sensor and probably a V-band clamp because it didn't come with new V-band clamps. And you know, it's always nice to have new clamps. So we're gonna do that and get them back in, and hopefully it's smooth sailing from there. So we will update later. O2 sensor.
Alright, so we got the downpipes ready to go in. This downpipe, the O2 sensor, like you guys seen, is messed up, so we just plugged it for now. And then the clamp was also messed up, so we'll have to get another one, but for now I just welded it. And so yeah, we're going to throw them up in there and see if we can't get them bolted up. Alright, so you guys can see we got the downpipes on, both on. We have the plug in the one for the O2 sensor right there. And then we got this plug we got to plug in. We just put the covers on. So yeah, we're going to get the O2 sensor in. Hopefully it works out with just the one. And then we'll do some exhaust clips. So we're going to test to see if it starts without the O2 sensor. We got the covers off right now, but it'll be alright.
You ready?
Go for it. Alright, so we just got it done. He's gonna rev it up a little bit, but we'll give you a walk around and then we'll show you the exhaust sound. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video on installing the downpipes on Dalton's car, the 335 BMW. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know it was not filmed everything on the process, but because it was so hard, we just got busy working and got it installed. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the sound clips and everything. So please hit that like button, please share the video, and please subscribe for more. Peace.